It's me, and today we are playing Minecraft, and it's gonna be peaceful survival. It's been a while since we've played this multiplayer. Okay, just going back to the game. Infinite cheats. Yeah, activated cheats and always day, do daylight cycle, virus spreads, TNT explodes. Keep inventory, mob spawning, natural reanimation, mob loot, mob grieving, tidal drops, entire drop loot, weather cycle. Yes, I like that. And I'll just go back to game. Resume game. And I guess I would get another bed. No. And now I'll put, how did I get to settings? Actually, no. I'm gonna keep that, and I should do something here. How about I get I wish I could. I have an idea. This is for, and I don't want anything else. What's this? Stone cutter. What is it? I'm gonna explore it. Stone cutter. Stone cutter. It's a stone cutter. You can't break it. Oh. Oh, you can. You can. Okay, stone cutter, whatever it's for. If you know what this is for, please tell me down in the comments because I have no idea what it is. And now, let's see. Settings. Here. Nope. So, T, and I'll put, slash. What happened? Game mode. Game mode. Yes. Unknown command. Please check the command X, and then you have permission to use it. Okay, so I'll put T again. Backspace. Slash. Help. Slash help. So it's showing help page 1 of 13. Help page. Command name. Page. Okay, I'm curious. So. Slash. Game mode. Game mode S. Enter. Game mode S. Oh, I think I know what I'm doing. Slash G A M E game mode game mode S. Please no. T. So if you hear a weird sound, it's my cue to stop the game. Okay, I mean the video. Slash game mode. Sets the player game mode. Okay, game mode 0? Game mode 0? Oh no, commands. Please check the command exits and you'll have permission to use it. Oh man. Because how do I do this? I don't know. Just live in this village forever. Because I like it. And there's lots of houses. So I'll have lots of neighbors. Can we have like kids? I wish we could. Can I give flowers to kids? Ooh, there's a cool thingy down there that I'm way too afraid to go in. It's not my house. Nope, it's not. It is someone else's house. And the entrance is... Oh, this is similar to my house. Flowers. Okay, what should I do? Should I go in the dark? Oh, I got an idea. E. I'll go to potions. Potions. Potion of night vision. Okay, guys, that's my cue. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.